Oh, hey, my Kitain Army, a very, very warm welcome to your today's session in which Shilpi ma'am is gonna share some basic secrets to keep you motivated for the studies. So make sure that you attend the session till the very end. If you are actually, confused and you are like saturated completely, you are not getting enough motivation for studying, या फिर ऐसे हो रहा है अंदर से मैम आई एम नॉट एबल टू focus on the studies now, it's becoming very much difficult for me, then this is the session for you. Ma'am will be discussing some of the major problems, that why you people are facing it, and what can be the solution, possible solution to study for your term 1 exams with your complete input. Okay, so if you are new on the channel, then make sure that you subscribe to it so that you do not miss on any of the revision classes, and we will soon come up with some surprise for you in this month, so you have to stay connected for that, right? I'm your chemistry master teacher Shilpi Kaushik here at Vedantu, starting with a positive note. Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. So, doesn't matter where you are in life, it's very important that we stay grounded. It's very important that we stay humble, and humbleness बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. If we are that, then surely we would be able to get on that star. Okay, we would be able to go there, the position where we actually want to reach. So make sure our feet is always held on the ground. Yes, that's very much important. And I can understand that you're preparing for term 1. You people also get saturated a lot number of times, then you don't get enough, you can say, any sort of motivation to study, या फिर stress होने लगता है. So how to deal with that, we will discuss all of that. So just before moving forward, ma'am wants to tell you one thing. If in case you people are not yet prepared completely, or you're not getting that confidence in you, ma'am, I'm still not prepared, I'm not able to understand chemical reactions in equations, I don't understand chloralkali process, how to make ionic bond, what are charges generated on the respective ions, I don't understand any of that. Or among all the subjects that you're studying, be it your physics is there, chemistry, biology, maths, social studies, and English, if in all these subjects you are facing problems, and social is something that students always underrate, we keep on giving our entire attention on science and maths. So because of that, social and English or other subjects like Hindi, they feel left out. So we should cover them also. So if you don't want to take any risk and you want to excel in your term 1 exam, then Vedantu is having a solution for you. So if you haven't done anything yet, or you're not still having enough confidence, then term 1 is here with you. So we have started a crash course that is specially built for term 1. The crash course duration that we are having, you have two options. The first option is that you take an enrollment now. Let's say from October you are taking the registration, like 27 September say the new batch is getting started. So from 27 to till your final exam, let's say they end in December or in like November mein, to they will start. So till that time you are getting Vedantu subscription for the crash course, jisme we would be covering each and every topic of your syllabus for term 1, right? So you can be a part of that subscription, because that is, we are gonna make sure that आपका improvement होता है. And if you are just coming to the classes regularly, if you study well, then no one can stop you from getting 100%. That is for sure, right? We will discuss all the different kind of patterns. Crash course mein your like all the test would be conducted, jisme your rank would be calculated among all the students who are competing at the same time. So if you don't want to take the complete crash course, there is an option to simply take 1 month ka subscription. You can also get crash course for the period of 1 month. So if in case you feel like, ma'am, I don't need a crash course which lasts for 3 to 4 months for term 1, just 1 month is sufficient. Usme bhi you can complete your entire syllabus, because you will be getting unlimited live classes. Unlimited live classes in all of them, right? And you would be getting unlimited micro courses. These micro courses are short chapter based courses. One chapter you can finish in 1 week. just like that. Okay, so that would be easy. So think about it. I'm not forcing you, we're not pressurizing you. Obviously that is your call. Agar aapko lagta hai I'm well prepared, then you don't need it. If you're like, no ma'am, I want to practice more and more questions, I want more assignments, I want the study notes, I haven't made them, I want important reactions, the tricks to, just ace in your term 1 exam. I don't want to take any risk for my class 10 standard, because 10 standard exam will only happen once, and I can't afford to take that risk just for just some small amount of money. So if you are thinking that way, then you can come in these crash courses. The batches starting from 27 September for 9th and 10th standard students. ICSE के लिए भी the new is starting from October, and you can take the subscription for this term 1 complete crash course. Complete wala batch is starting from like this, started from on 13th then 27th, right? Uske baad it will start in October only. So think about it, whether you want to go for 1 month ka trial subscription, that is also crash course. Okay, you will get everything, unlimited classes there, assignments, notes, 100% doubt solving during the classes there, after the class is also there in classic subscription. So all of that you're getting, and above that if you want extra discount, then Shilpi ma'am's coupon code is always there with you, SKA Pro. You can apply that. Okay, kaise karna hai, that also ma'am will tell you after some time. For now, let's continue and talk about the 5 secret tips to stay motivated. So first of all, we should discuss the problem, that is important. So pehla problem aata hai, ma'am, I don't understand where do I start from, there is so much to do, है ना? So कहाँ से begin करें? This happens with you, yes or no? Tell ma'am in the comment section what are the common problems that you encounter while studying. So this happens a lot with me. You have lots of syllabus piled up together. Now where do I start from? Which is the first subject that I pick? Now once you have picked up the subject, ma'am, which chapter should I start from? So see, there's a very famous saying that people follow: pick the lower hanging fruits first. And if you find something is easier, you can start with that to stay motivated. That is one thing. ठीक है, एक strategy वो होता है that if you are doing the easy things first, you can do the difficult ones later, you will get some confidence. However, there is one more funda that says you start with that subject which you find as the most difficult one. Now I will tell you the logic behind it. ठीक है, एक छोटू सा logic है. You have 3 chapters in chemistry: chemical reactions and equations, acids, bases and salts, right? Then we are having metals and non-metals. Now among all these chapters, acids, bases and salt mein you are always like, ma'am, this is such a lengthy chapter, I always keep it for the last. And up the last karte karte you have reached October, you are still unsure about this chapter. Now what happens when you continuously keep on skipping a topic, then us topic ka na phobia ban jata hai, that topic starts scaring you. Now whenever you feel like acid, base and salt start karna, like no, let's do metals and non-metals, that is easier. So because of that, we start giving more time to those topics which we already know. So make sure you don't have enough time now. ध्यान रखना है, you don't do this. If you find something hard, this is the time that you start with that first, because if you are doing the most difficult part सबसे पहले, then you will be relaxed. Okay, so let's say I invested 6 days, and 6 days लगाकर I have finally completed acid, base and salts. Now rest of the October will go very smoothly. You will have confidence that I have done the most difficult chapter, I can easily do metals and non-metals, chemical reactions, equations, I already find them easier, and I have also practiced a lot number of time. So this is the strategy. Do not leave the difficult topics for the last moment now. Okay, so if you are doing the most difficult part sabse pehle, you will find a lot of motivation to do the other chapters, right? As they say sorry, do the most challenging task first. sorry, yeah, so as they say, do the most challenging task first. Yes, this is something that ma'am is telling you. ये काम करेगा, आप try करो, whatever subject you are studying. So most difficult task अगर एक बार आपने कर लिया है, then you will be like, relaxed. You will feel so confident about all the remaining subjects. So abhi you have time to do that topic which is scaring you. Don't let it convert into a phobia completely, right? So cut the topic into small slices. If you feel ki topic bahut hard hai, jaise access based solves I am taking, because among all the chapters students might be finding it difficult, so you can divide the chapter into different slices. You don't have to do it in one day. So आप ऐसे कर सकते हो that today I will be covering the entire portion of indicators. ठीक है, I will study indicators today. Let's say for 1.5 hour 2 hours I studied indicators. I will solve its questions, what kind of questions are asked. Then I will go to the next part. Today I'm gonna do chemical properties and chemical reactions of acids and bases. ठीक है, chemical properties and chemical reactions I would be doing. Now I'm dividing the chapter into small slices. Next day you can just think of covering the pH scale and its application. So this way you are not even doing the chapter all at once. You're not finding it difficult. Also you find it interesting. One day another topic, next day another topic you are doing, and finally you can think of covering the salt also. If you find difficult, you can divide them into two parts. Today I will do 2 salts, next day I will do the remaining 3. ऐसे कर सकते हो आप. So divide the chapter into small parts, the hardest one which you find is most hard, and make sure one more thing that you revise. Continuous revision is important. जैसे today you are doing indicators, next day when you are done with chemical reactions and equations, go back and revise indicators. When you reach on the third day, go back and revise indicators, chemical reactions and equations, everything what you've done. The similar thing will be applied here. जब solve करोगे, make sure that you revise all the 3 topics which you did 3 days back. So this way you can connect the dots also. So this is the first problem I guess that is solved. And बहुत famous saying है by person. He says that Mark ने बोला था, eat a live frog first. Eat a live frog first thing in the morning and nothing worse will happen to you the rest of the day. मतलब you are eating a live frog the first thing in the morning. अब उससे बुरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता है ना दिन में. Now how you have to think, you don't have to eat a live frog. ठीक है, that's just a saying that whenever something is creating problem in your life, जिससे जो hurdle create कर रहा है, सबसे पहले उसे हटा दो, right? So any chapter, any subject that is causing hurdles, that is bringing some sort of any lack of confidence in you, जिससे आप बहुत anxiety आता है आपको, make sure you pick it up and first of all you wash it away, right? So like social studies is scaring you, I will advise you to start from social studies first. Now uske baad, once you're done with the hardest thing that you find is the most difficult thing, then rest of the things is easy wala part that is left. So it will give you more confidence, and this code is very relatable, so we have added here. The next thing that says, how does it matter? So ये काफी दिमाग में आता है, मैम I don't care if I am scoring 50 में से 42 marks or I am scoring 45 marks. कितना difference है? 3 marks का difference है, that is not major. This should not be the mindset now. Goals are not close to your heart. ये तब होगा when you are not, you don't want it actually, and you're not actually attached to your goal or your aim जो भी आपने बनाया है. I have to score 50. ठीक है, no, there is a difference. I score 45, on the other hand I am scoring 50. I want that perfect figure. Okay, so if you have a goal in your heart that I want to make my parents proud, this is like a simple thing that works with most of us. Whenever you feel like this, then always remember your purpose, why you started, क्या आपका goal है. You have to make your parents proud. You want to take science, let's say in class 11th 12th. Okay, so yeah, you have to do it. You want to get your favorite grades over there. You want to do arts, you have to be an IAS officer. So always think of your long term goals जो भी आपने अपने दिमाग में रखे हैं. They will give you motivation. They will tell you why does it matter. It matters. ऐसा नहीं it doesn't matter. So this way you would be able to feel more passionate, more motivated and more satisfied about yourself. That was the second secret tip. Okay, the third problem is the depression. बहुत होता है, you are doing something, you're not getting the answers. Ma'am, I have practiced chemical reactions 10 times, but still I am not able to solve it question. होता है ना आपके साथ, there is a topic, let's say in maths, ma'am, I have practiced a lot number of times, but still when I look at a question I feel it's new. That is depression, that is stress coming your way. Okay, so once your mentality, once you are polluted from your head, then there is nothing that any other person can do to save you. So you always have to be your own savior. Remember, in life हमेशा आप ही खुद को प्रॉब्लम में डालोगे, and you are the only one who will take yourself out of the problem. So this mindset is very important. So make sure that your mindset is always positive. Don't feel worthless about yourself. जब भी ऐसा होता है, you start cursing yourself, I'm not capable of doing anything, itna easy question tha, my friend has solved it within 30 seconds, I'm not even able to solve it in 5 minutes, I cannot do anything good in life. Lack of self belief, lack of self confidence, ye ek chain reaction hota hai, right? This is a chain reaction, a negative chain reaction. And let me tell you one thing, our mind grasps the negative things much faster than it can grasp positivity. So that is why you always have to live life with a ketanic mindset. ठीक है, so always we have to think in the optimistic direction, you have to think positive direction, because एक बार अगर ये chain reaction बन गया, it becomes very difficult to break it. So जैसे ही negative thought आता है, it's just a thought, let it go away. Okay, so just analyze your thought, close your eyes and analyze your thoughts, don't react on your thoughts. ठीक है, उनको सुनो, okay, what your mind is trying to tell you. Now it depends on you whether you want to pay attention to a positive thought or to a negative thought, that is your call. So अगर कोई आपको phone करता है, you want to pick that call or you have to reject it, that is your call. Okay, so when some person is calling you जिससे आपको नहीं बात करनी है, then you cut it off, isn't it? So that depends on you, which call you have to answer, negative perspective of something or positive perspective of something, and I'm very sure you want a positive one. So what could be the solution for that depression? See, there are a lot number of times. Talk, first of all, communicate with your parents, communicate about it to your siblings, to your friends, या जो भी है जिनसे आप comfortable होते हो. When you talk about it, then you actually feel relieved once you just let it out of your heart. There's another way, by writing things, like there are some people who always maintain a diary, या फिर अगर आप नहीं भी maintain करते हो, then take a sheet of paper, pen it down everything. या फिर इसके अलावा वन मोर थिंग आई कैन टेल यू, जो मैं बहुत करती हूँ, लाइक वेरी कॉमनली वेन एवर आई फील स्ट्रेस्ड एंड डिप्रेस्ड, देन आई जस्ट सिंपली टेक अ शीट ऑफ पेपर एंड आई राइट डाउन दोज थिंग्स विच I am thankful for. Because मैंने आपको हमेशा यही समझाया है that there are always thousands of things in our lives that we are thankful for. So focus on your breath. यहाँ से शुरू करो आपकी breath के लिए. You should be thankful to God. We have a healthy body, right? We are able to study. We have each and everything that other people still dream of getting, isn't it? So write a diary, just pen it down whatever is bothering you, उससे आपको बहुत help मिलेगा. And there is also meditation technique. Meditation can also help you. ठीक है, if this is coming quite often, depression होता है, negative stress होता है, morning में make sure that you're doing some sort of meditation. If not in morning, you can do it at any point of the day, any time of the day, doesn't matter. So एक meditation technique है, that is candle technique. उसमें what you have to do, pick up all the worries in your head, whatever is bothering you, whatever is giving you anxiety and stress, collect that chain of thoughts here in your head. Now you have to take a candle and light it up. Candle को light करके focus on the flame, focus on the flame for at least 1 minute. Also give I will tell you कैसे eyes पे effect नहीं पड़ेगा. So this candle flame is going to give you positivity. Look at it without blinking your eyes and you will observe that धीरे धीरे the negative thoughts are going away and you feel so warm when you are looking at that flame. I have done this technique a lot number of time. Now close your eyes after 1 minute and you will see the shadow of the flame in your mind. Focus on that thing. Okay, whatever image that you're getting. Now again, open your eyes and try it for 1 more minute. This technique also helps you to get rid of all the pain. या फिर होता है, you can look at water also. Water is also very calming, so you can try that thing. Okay, just try to be like water. So that was the third tip that can help you, secret tip. The fourth problem is, ma'am, I am lazy. I'm becoming a couch potato. So you're lazy. अब laziness का तो क्या solution है? Laziness के लिए you can just keep on hydrating yourself. हमेशा अपने साथ रखो एक पानी का bottle, and whenever you feel like sleeping or you're like I'm getting saturated, just drink some water. Okay, just keep on sipping water continuously. Hydration बहुत important है body के लिए. Okay, take a note of how many liters of water you are drinking every day, and look at your diet. So avoid junk food, especially at this point of time when your exams are approaching. Then you need a healthy body, right? इस time पर बीमार हो गए तो we cannot afford that, because we will end up wasting our time. So it's good that you add more healthy vegetables into your diet. You drink a lot of water. You are eating a lot of fruits. That's very important. If your body is healthy, you would be getting healthy. Okay, and choose excellence. The biggest enemy of the great is good. Exactly. Do not ever settle for less. Don't say that मैम चलो ये टॉपिक छोड़ दिया तो 50 में से 48 तो आ ही जाएंगे. I will end up scoring 48. No, we want 50. We have to target the best. Okay, so we are not gonna get satisfied in good when we are aiming for the great thing. Yes. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, मैम आई कैन नॉट कॉन्सेंट्रेट. दिस द मेजोरिटी ऑफ द लोगों की प्रॉब्लम है ये स्टूडेंट्स की. मैम आई कांट कॉन्सेंट्रेट. The moment I start studying, I feel like checking my phone again and again. So always, don't check your mobile phone after every 15-20 minutes. That also reduces your retention time. Do not watch short time period के लिए videos मत देखा करो. Especially reel sections of Instagram is also not good for you when your exams are near, because that decreases your retention time. Concentration power बढ़ाना है. Okay, and how you can do that? I have seen students, they get motivated so much, वो एक ही दिन सब कुछ करना चाहते हैं. Today only I will complete the entire chemistry, physics and maths. So never do that, because you are giving all your focus and concentration just on one day. फिर उसके बाद on the rest of the days you tend to feel like weak, and you're like ma'am चलो I will do it tomorrow. Right? So concentration के लिए you can just divide your topics into small parts, जैसे मैम ने पहले बताया था. Try to study with diagrams, mind maps. Make sure that you're not just theoretically studying a subject. Try to relate it with practical points. Always keep a pen and paper handy with you. Whatever you feel is difficult, just pen it down, and always take small breaks. ठीक है, continuously नहीं पढ़ना है. Like you want to study for 6 to 7 hours continuously, 3 hours, that is not required. Right now please make sure that you are taking short breaks, and please just treat yourself. Give yourself a treat. Reward yourself. Reward करने के लिए I have told you a lot number of times that you can always reward yourself in a way that I will go to the park, I will eat my favorite candy, let's say I will watch my favorite TV program, I will do this for a short period of time. So अपने लिए rewards रखा करो. Once I complete this chapter, I will just give myself a chocolate. Like healthy way mein you can think of whatever you like. I'm just giving you some ideas. Those breaks can be like exercise, body exercise हो सकता है. That was my fifth secret tip for you. So please make sure all these points, you don't have to take stress by any way, right? Again, reminding you of Vedantu subscription. 30 September is the last day to enroll for VIP. VIP क्या है आपको पता है? Like Vedantu has promised this time that if you stay with us for the entire year and you don't feel any progress in yourself, any improvement, no satisfaction with your score, then your fee would be returned back to you. Okay, so JEE main, maybe we have produced excellent results. So this is yet another thing that we just achieved after NTSC, ICSC and CBSE board का जो भी achievement था, and that result is coming out of students like you. Students like you are there in the regular courses, then they are practicing all that we are giving, assignments, notes, session notes, they are appearing in the test. That is very important. So if you also want to be a part of Vedantu's 1 month crash course subscription या फिर entire crash course for up to November December, then you can come there. SKA Pro is Shilpi ma'am's coupon code. Ma'am is gonna tell you how you will take that. Okay, this is the video that you are attending right now. You have to scroll down. यहाँ पर एक link मिलेगा, देखो. CBSE Term 1 Crash. This is for entire crash course, the first link. If I show you the first link, ये देखो, अरे वाह, there this discount you will get when you apply SKA Pro. So you will get it for 4,500 rupees. Okay, 4,500 में you will get the complete course of the crash course for term 1 till your November December. Unlimited live classes, full responsibility we will be taking, don't worry about all these subjects: physics, chemistry, maths, biology, social studies and English. Assignments and notes would be given to you, test series and analysis है, doubt solving during the class, and after the class के लिए you can come in this subscription, that is the Pro Classic. इसमें you also get a mobile application. अगर उतने doubts नहीं है तो class में भी you can get all your doubts resolved. That is not a big deal. Okay. You can buy complete course. Ma'am has already applied a coupon code. You can see that SKA Pro के बाद you will get 500 का discount and you have to pay 4,500 rupees. These are the different ways to make the payment. However, you feel like मैम इतने टाइम के लिए नहीं चाहिए, आई एम हैप्पी विथ 1 month का सब्सक्रिप्शन, बिकॉज उसमें भी तो यू आर गेटिंग द माइक्रो कोर्सेज अनलिमिटेड, वहाँ पर भी you can complete it, right? And you can in fact attend the sessions for your term 2 also, micro courses for term 2 also. So for 1 month subscription you have to tap on here, try for 1 month, ठीक है? And यहाँ पर on applying Shilpi ma'am's coupon code, I will remove it. देखो 2600 है, but once you apply SKAPRO Shilpi Kaushik Army Pro, now you will get 260 rupees ka off. You will get a burger in 260, 2340 1 month subscription, all these subjects that you would be getting. Okay, that's it. I guess it's all clear to you. And now Shilpi ma'am is just reminding you that you have to make sure you don't take any stress. Okay, and in the comment section please let me know anything that is troubling you, anything that is giving you mental stress या फिर mental trauma, any other problem that you're facing. I will try my best to give you solution for that also. And meanwhile, tell me the answer of this question. If you reached till here in the video, then in the comment section I want the answer. What are the components of LPG? Yes, Shilpi ma'am will see you next time. Till then, take care. Thank you so much for attending the session, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss on any of the videos, right? Bye bye.